Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose and this is Roxy Rose Guides. Budget with me for the month of December. Hey y'all, welcome back. You know I have my list of videos right here for Decemberationals. Don't know why I named it that, but you know what, that's the name I came up with. So for Decemberational videos, I have this coming up, and I should have a cash stuffing coming up very soon. You know, payday's about coming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that soon. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and thank my subscribers for popping it back over. You know, you are wanted and appreciated. Thank you for coming back on this channel. And if you're new here and you're wondering what this is all about, here on this channel on Roxy Rose Guides, I just go through all things budget, finance, and debt payoff. There's a video right up there. DIY, planning, and other stuff I'm trying to get into. You know, I'm trying to mix a little bit more stuff into there, maybe for the next new year. But anyway, here's some quick reminders. Please go ahead and use the Fetch app. Come on guys, during this holiday season, you guys are buying a lot of stuff. I hope that you're really not buying too much stuff, but if you are going to buy a lot of stuff during this holiday season, why not scan it in and get yourself some free gift cards using my Fetch app code? Please go ahead, click the link. The link is in the description below. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe below. I appreciate all your loving comments, and I appreciate just y'all watching. Thank you so much. Excuse me, I had to wash some smudge or something off my hand. All right, so let's get into the video. We have our budget for the month of December, the last month of 2021. That's right, we're getting into 2022, y'all. So remember, we always start our budget off with our monthly checklist. So let's talk about this. Let's fill this in really quickly. All right, so for this month, of course, for the shopping list, we have so much shopping to do. We have Christmas shopping. We also have some we also have to go ahead and order, well, we gotta get decorations and food for a little shindig I'm throwing for Christmas, since it's our first Christmas in this house. I don't know what's going on with this camera. It's our first Christmas in this house, so we're going to get decor, get some food, have some family over, and enjoy the Christmas, you know, celebration. So my to-do list is really to finish Christmas shopping. And what's my goal? My real goal is to pay down debt. That's pay down debt. I'm really trying to pay down this car. I ain't gotta worry about any, you know, thank God I don't gotta worry about any, you know, credit cards right now, but I gotta pay off my credit cards when I use them and then make sure to pay down this car. So as much as I can. And I also want to save some more money. I've been spending some money. Last month I spent a lot of money, so save some money. I gotta change same thing. So we have upcoming expenses. For upcoming expenses, it's basically the same thing, just Christmas gifts, and then party decor. Party supplies or decor and food and stuff. That's about it. And food. One thing I have to mention, guys, the fourth Wednesday of every month, since the summertime, I've done my financial freedom seminars. Remember, it's free and it's on Eventbrite. The link is in the description below. Please go ahead and sign up. It's at 7 p.m. I know it's very close to Christmas, so a lot of people may not be able to attend, but guess what? I'm giving some advice about budgeting, about, you know, us becoming financially free by ending financial slavery. So please sign up for this seminar. I think it will be really helpful for anybody that signs up. And I think you guys would enjoy it. It's the last one for this year. Next year I want to figure out what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to use Eventbrite or Zoom to go ahead and do my seminar anymore. I think I might actually make it live next year. So we'll see what happens, but in the meantime, if you are able to make it, please do, all right? It is at 7 p.m. on December 22nd. I hope you're able to attend, and there will be a giveaway. I'm hoping people can attend so that I can at least get stuff from the giveaway. United States people only. I can't send it overseas, so please go ahead and come. You know, it's free, and you get something free in the giveaway. All right, so this is my checklist so far. Now we're going to go into, well, before I get to the budget planner, I'm just going to go into my calendar. Let me fill it in real quick. All right, so now we have all this together. Now let's go ahead and put in the stickers of what's due. So here is my calendar for this month. I put in all my things, including my birthday, and I should put something for Christmas. I wish I had something specific for Christmas. I gotta figure out to put something for Christmas. I don't know which one to put because I don't have anything specific. But yeah, and so now what I'm gonna do is just try to go ahead and figure out based on this what we need to put here for our expenses. Let me fill that out real quick. Alright guys, so here is the sum up, what we have so far. So we have our paychecks that are coming in our Christmassy colors. We have our mortgage, which I'm not going to put, as well as our income. We're not going to put that yet. Zoom, Xfinity coming out, Pandora, our AC loan that we have, Cinch, PSNG, which is electricity, auto insurance, gas, and Quality First for our basement. So we have a lot of stuff, going on for this month. I X'd this out because we actually got a bill for $0 again for electricity, which doesn't make any sense. I know we're in some kind of savings program, but I figure somebody's going to charge us. I'd rather them charge us instead of sending us a huge bill at the end of whenever, and then we're like, what? How are we going to pay this? So, I don't know. I guess they're going to figure that out. But here are our pages for December. We have our monthly checklist, our calendar, and our budget planner, which I will continue to fill out a little bit later. I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous holiday. Enjoy Christmas, enjoy the new year, enjoy whatever you celebrate. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you don't celebrate, I hope you enjoy watching some of these videos. Please remember to like and subscribe below. Roxy Rose out.